one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2024 Dodge Durango SRT 392 in white knuckle. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO brakes, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 5,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stop